Alright, back to task number 4, mail merge. You are required to carry out a mail merge. So the thing about mail merge, make sure you know which one is the master document. You have your letter, the document name letter as your master document, and the document name recruits as your data source or your recipient files or recipient list. Alright, so first thing on data mail merge is to open up your master document, which is your letter. Once you have it in, go to mailing and to start a mail merge wizard by wizards. Step by step wizards. Of course, it's a letter. Go next. Use the current document. Yes. Go next. Use an existing list. Yeah, leave it there, but browse to find me the list, which is your data source file is recruits. So on my desktop, onto my practical 3, need to find recruits. Recruits is there. It's open. Let me just press OK. The list of my recipients are there. Press OK, and like I said from before, close the wizards now and try insert the merging field using the table shows there on the question. TTL is title. FN is for first name. Sorry. So let me put a little space here so it doesn't go in my highlighting. First name. LN is for last name. Right. Make sure that all the fields are in this design of in a row. Sorry, in a column. A1 is your address one. Right, you can see the A2 coming up. Put it down. Address 2. Address 3. PC is your postcode. Right. Take this off. Now TL is here as well. That is your title. Space this one, last name. JP for job. Department. MNG here for line manager. Starts. Starting date. Cell. If you have a hard time highlighting, just put a space. Much easier for you to highlight. Salary. And then you go to make sure you have spaces in between. Alright. You have all the fields is being replaced with a merge field. And make sure the spacing, punctuation, and alignment in your original master document are maintained. Alright, so there's a space, make sure there's spacing that over between your merge field. So, and also the format is maintained there. That looks good. Step number 23. Replace the text candidate number with your name. So I'll replace that with my name. Enter your name, send the number candidate in the footer of the document. You should scroll down to the footer where you're supposed to have the footer. Just double click here and have your name, center number, and candidate number. save and print your master document showing the merge field code, right? So to save this, I'll do a little save as and put it on my working area as my letter. I'll take off this for just doing myself letter here, right? And print and showing the field codes, right? So if I go to do the printing or do a little print preview, let me increase this up. I can still see that my merging field having the chevrons there, but if you go to the printing options, advanced, and I want to go all the way down where I'm supposed to print out the showing of the codes, display, print, printing here, and print field codes instead of value. If I press OK, I can see that the field code is being shown, all the field codes. Now this is what you're going to print for your printout number 4. Right, once you're done with step 13 in your printout number 4, I want you to reverse it back. Take off the codes, take off the showing of the code in the print or the display, and then just close this up. Step 24, set an automated filter to select the recruits where the salary is 18,000 or more. Evidence 8, screenshot of the automated selections. Now go back to mailing, edit your recipients, go to filter and select your field, which is salary, and compares to, we're not using the equal to, but we are using greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to 18,000, and press OK. Now you have 4. Now you have 4 people showing up that have 18,000 and more. Right? Now press OK, and that's done for step 24. Oh, sorry, your evidence for evidence 8. Right, so go to edit recipients, go to filter, and screenshot this window here of how you did it. So bring up my snip. I'll snip this and put it into my evidence number. Oh, sorry, evidence number 8. I have to close all of this before I can bring up my evidence file. Evidence 8 here, and then paste. Yeah, that's my automated selection. And step 28, merge the print and print the letters for the selected reports only. Right, now print this down. Like I said from before, you already edited it to a little preview. Yeah, looks good. Look at this one. You can see that I haven't not taken it off. It looks good. So take off the preview and come back down and delete this one off. Make sure that there are spaces, and then again finish and merge individual documents. Press OK. You can see that these 4 documents are in place. Why is this always not showing? Right, do not worry if it doesn't show. But yeah, now you have your 4 documents to be printed. Right, if you have any changes, just because this one is a different Word document now. If you have any changes, just close it down and go do your changes. If not, just go back individual documents, press OK, and then have your little 4 letters being printed from here. Let's do it in preview. And that's my 4 letters. That is the end of your task number 4. I'll save this master document, push it down.